War is changing again. From sharpened stones to gunpowder, every leap in technology has redrawn the battlefield. The atomic bomb reshaped global politics. Now a new revolution is underway. This time it's not about steel or explosives, but silicon, software, and artificial intelligence. The digital age has arrived on the battlefield. Science fiction's robotic armies are becoming reality. The future of warfare is being coded in labs and tested on proving grounds worldwide. Tomorrow's soldier may not be human, but a network of machines, thinking, acting, and coordinating faster than any human squadron. The central figure, the autonomous drone. We've seen human-piloted drones like the Predator, but that's old tech. The next wave is about many machines, not just one. Imagine hundreds or thousands of small, smart drones moving as one, making their own decisions. This is the AI-powered swarm, poised to make past wars look ancient. The technology is here, the programs are funded, and the tests are underway. The US and its rivals are racing to master this new form of warfare. The implications touch military doctrine, international law, and the ethics of life and death decisions. We're entering an age where combat happens in microseconds and the battlefield is filled with intelligent, non-human actors. The face of battle is being remade before our eyes. The hive mind takes flight. An AI drone swarm isn't just a group of drones, it's a single, cohesive entity. Like a flock of birds or a school of fish, each drone moves independently, but the group acts as one. There's no leader. Every drone communicates with its neighbors, creating a collective intelligence. Powered by advanced algorithms and high-speed data links, the swarm is a decentralized network. If one drone is lost, the rest adapt instantly, rerouting and continuing the mission. This resilience makes the swarm incredibly hard to disrupt. Unlike human operators who can only control a few drones at once, an AI swarm can coordinate hundreds simultaneously. It can split up to search wide areas, then regroup to strike a target. In urban environments, some drones provide surveillance from above while others enter buildings, all sharing a live picture of the battlefield. The defining feature is autonomy. A human gives a high-level objective, the swarm figures out the rest. It decides how to search, approach threats, avoid obstacles, and react to surprises. This isn't simple automation, it's true autonomy, perceiving, deciding, and acting on its own. The swarm's intelligence makes it a powerful force. It's not just a tool, but a new kind of battlefield actor. The age of the AI swarm has arrived. The Pentagon isn't just theorizing, it's racing to deploy this technology. The Replicator Initiative, launched in 2023, aims to field thousands of autonomous systems across air, land, and sea within 2 years. The idea: overwhelm adversaries with mass-produced intelligent machines instead of a few expensive platforms. China's military scale is the challenge. America's answer is a new kind of mass, intelligent machines. DARPA leads the charge, developing swarms that can operate together across domains. Tests are already happening, with real drones performing complex missions. The goal: moves swarming tech from lab to battlefield, fast. The message is clear. Autonomous swarming warfare is being built now. The race is on and the stakes are high. The future of military power is mass, speed, and autonomy. The swarm's edge. Why is this technology so revolutionary? First, autonomy swarms process data from hundreds of sensors, making tactical decisions in milliseconds, faster than any human. This machine-speed OODA loop lets swarms outthink and outmaneuver opponents. Second, resilience. With no single point of failure, swarms adapt if drones are lost, making them hard to defeat. Third, cost. Swarms are cheap to produce, forcing defenders to use expensive missiles against low-cost drones, an unsustainable equation. Fourth, adaptability. The same swarm can scout, jam, decoy, or attack, sometimes all at once. This flexibility, combined with intelligence and resilience, makes swarms a true game-changer. Traditional defenses struggle to keep up. The battlefield is shifting from a few high-value assets to many intelligent, low-cost actors. The swarm's multi-role capability is redefining military power. The age of the AI swarm is here, and it's changing everything. The rules of war are being rewritten. The question is, can we keep up? The ghost in the machine. Ethical nightmares and moral quandaries. AI swarms could make lethal decisions without humans in the loop. Can algorithms distinguish civilians from combatants? Who's accountable if a swarm makes a mistake? The chain of responsibility blurs, risking an accountability vacuum. machine-speed warfare could escalate conflicts before humans can intervene. Cheap disposable machines may lower the threshold for war, making conflict more frequent and detached from human cost. The moral risks are as profound as the technological ones. A global arms race, the scramble for swarm supremacy. The US isn't alone. China, Russia, Israel, Turkey, and others are racing to develop swarming tech. China's manufacturing scale and AI focus make it a formidable competitor. Russia and others are integrating AI into real-world conflicts. The pressure to deploy quickly is immense, sometimes outpacing ethical considerations. Proliferation is inevitable. Soon, smaller nations and non-state actors may have access. The global race is accelerating and the stakes are rising. The future is now. Are we ready for the wars to come? The technology is here. The revolution is happening in plain sight. AI swarms are evolving rapidly, outpacing ethical debates and regulations. We're building tools for humanless wars before we've agreed on the rules. Are we prepared for a world where machines make life and death decisions in microseconds? The risks of error, escalation, and moral detachment are real. The technology races ahead, but our understanding lags behind. The future is unfolding now. Are we ready?